months of moratorium for all individuals. This is by Bank Negara and begins 7th of July, which means you can start apply. Yes, you need to opt in. Yeah, you need to start apply 7th July onwards. So you see this handsome guy? Yes, it's me. Okay, let's see. A little bit Photoshop? Yes. Okay. For those who do not know me, I'm actually an investment coach and of course a property agent, a branch partner, plus and book author. So I have passion, a lot of passion in properties. And my passion has actually brought me to great opportunities to do sharing and multiple platforms and meet wonderful people and partners, right? So that is a short introduction. Let me start. So 6 months of moratorium for all individuals. This is by Bank Negara and begins 7th of July, which means you can start apply. Yes, you need to opt in. Yeah, you need to start apply 7th July onwards. So what are the details? Okay, today I will cover about 4 sections. First, what loans are entitled. Okay, not all loans are able to get the moratorium. Yeah? Secondly, the safest and fastest way to apply. Okay, third, who is eligible, and the fourth, you'll be open to the floor Q&A session. Okay, so let's move into the first one. Okay, what loans are entitled? Okay, first, if you are a student still, or you are a fresh graduate, or if you're a parents, okay, please show this to your son and daughter, or share to them in their Facebook, or you just tag their names. Ask them to come in and have a look about this PTPTN, all right? So for PTPTN, the moratorium is actually for 3 months only, okay, for 3 months only. And the date for the PTPTN actually starts from June to August. So they can apply since June until August is the deadline. Yeah? And it's only entitled for those PTPTN holders that have lost their income or their income is reduced, okay, lost or reduced. However, on a side note, they are only require you to do self-declaration, so no supporting documents is required according to the website, of course. Submit application, how do you get it? Yeah, via PTPTN website. There is a designated link which I will give you later on. Yeah, you need to comment #PTPTN. And once you have submitted the approval, PTPTN will email you the approval within 3 days. All right, it's very fast. So this is for PTPTN, just a warm up. Okay, comment #PTPTN for full PTPTN info file. Yeah, just comment there. Our team will send to you after this live sharing, right? Because it's very brief here, but all the fine line, all the details, and it's officially from PTPTN. Everything we have done it, compiled. If you need it, #PTPTN. Yeah, or you can just share this live to your friends, to your daughter, children, everything, so that they can take note on PTPTN. Now, into the main event. Yep, loan moratorium summary. It's a 6 months installment deferment plan. Option number 1. Option number 2 is a 50% reduction in monthly installment for 6 months. Yes, you'll be quite weird. Huh? Why like this one? Why got 2? All right. Last moratorium is only 1, and it's automatic. For this current one, they have 2 options. First is 6 month installment deferment. Second one is 50%, and you will need to take action. If you heard of it, you see this, you look at this Facebook Live, and then you think automatic will enroll one. No, you must take action. Yeah. So later on, I will show you how to take action. All right. And if you're asking, what's the difference between option 1 and option 2? Okay. Option 2 is a 50% reduction. So if you're paying, let's say, 4,000 installment, okay, option 2 will become 2,000. However, if the 50% is not enough to cover your interest, bank will reject if you apply for 50%, and they will automatically approve for your 6 months installment deferment. Okay, if you have any questions, please write it down. Okay, along the way, our back-end system team will actually pick your questions for Q&A session later on. Okay, so let's move on. So what loans are entitled? Okay, I have give everything here very clear. You can screenshot if you want. So the summary, 6 month installment plan and the 50% reduction, option 1, option 2, is only for the loans or the financing. Yeah, what's the difference? Islamic, mostly they call it financing, because no interest. Loan got interest. Are approved on or before the 5th of June 2021. Okay, this first one, which means if you are applying for a loan, the loan is yet to be approved. When you're seeing this video, yeah, today is like what, 9, 8 July already. So your loan is not entitled. Only for older loans, yeah, older loans. So 30th of June on or before 30th of June, then you are entitled. Okay. Second, loan already in areas more than 90 days as of application date. So let's say today you see this live, tomorrow you go and apply it. Okay. But by tomorrow, you have a loan that is already 90 days in outstanding. Okay. You cannot apply it. Please apply tonight. Yeah. Immediately tonight. Take action. Because tonight, if it still counts as 89 days, they will still approve it. If tomorrow, 90 days, they will reject. Okay, so take action fast, and that is very important. And how does it go? Interest will still be charged, but it's not compounded. Okay, so 4,000, let's say, another case study, 4,000, let's say 3,000 of it is actually the interest, 1,000 is the principal, all right? Under this loan deferment for 6 months, you don't need to pay anything. However, the 3,000 interest for 6 months is still charged. However, it's not compounded. Yeah? I give you a clear example. Okay, this is actually a image, yeah, tabulated from one of the bank website. So this is the case study whereas a 300,000 loan, all right? Interest rate about 3.25. So pay attention to the first column. If you can see my mouse here, the current one, yeah, this is the example. Okay, 1,007. This is the normal payments. On the middle path, this is the 6 months option 1. 50% option 2. Now pay attention to this column. Okay, 1,007, 1,007. So during the payment assistance, you pay 0. After, it resume back to 1,007 and 2 ringgit. However, the difference is here. Total interest profit rate, you see 108, 108,231. Compared to here, more already, 117,324. There's a difference, yeah, an increase of 8,993. So this 8,993, you add 108, you will get 117,324. This is the extra 6 months. Sorry, not extra. This is the 6 months deferred payment, but the interests are still being charged for that 6 months. 8,993. Okay, because you're not paying principal. So the final amount at maturity, okay, at the final month, is indicated as 20,855. Okay, some of you might ask, where does this 100,000 come from? It's actually by calculation of 12 months, yeah, 1 year calculation. Yeah, 1,007 you times 12, you get this answer already. Now option 2, because it's only half, yeah, it's only half, so the interest occurred is also half. However, when I say it is not compounded, yeah, normal housing loan, as you know, is daily interest compound rate. Yeah, today you owe 300,000. Yeah, they will charge you, let's say 3%. Then your 300,000 and 300 outstanding. Tomorrow, the interest of 3% will be charged on 300,000 and 300. So total up, the interest is more. It's not 300 anymore. It's maybe 303 ringgit, 315 ringgit. So this is a chart for you to better understand. Yeah, 如果不明白, please screenshot. Yeah, slowly you will understand. Another case study, easier one, yeah, lesser amount, which is car loan. Okay, let's say for a car loan. Let's say for a car that's worth 37,000, 7 years loan tenor. Same again. Yeah. Normal loan, 529 per month. As a normal interest charge for 1 year is about 12,000. Yeah, 12150. But with this deferment, what has changed? Yeah, an extra 822. Sorry, 822. So the final amount at maturity, as you can see, there's a slight difference also by 800. This is for car loan calculation, smaller amount. It's actually the same concept with property loan. All right. So if you take the deferment, interest still charged but not compounded. If compound, it'll be way more than 8,993. Yeah, it'll be more than 8,993. So in a way, bank want to help, but they are still doing business, so they still need to charge interest. Okay, next. As I promised today, all essence, yeah, all dry stock, 全部干货. Okay, so another thing, what loans are entitled? Yeah, housing loan, personal loan, overdraft facility. This is under individual. Okay, the next, vehicle loan and hire purchase. What is the difference? Hire purchase is your car loan, maybe. Vehicle loan can be lorry, can be other stuff. Okay, education loan. I highlight that because not all banks have education loan. Okay, credit card, different. Yeah, credit card, they will do actually a balance. They will convert into a term loan up to 36 months, but the interest rate is 13% per annum. Yeah, cheaper than normal credit card, which is 18%, but this one they do 13%. So if you have credit card, I will advise you fully settle it because 13% is still quite high. All right, but if you need it, they will give you a plan up to 36 months. Okay, term loan financing that has been converted from credit card. Why I say this? Okay, previously you might have balance transfer. Yeah, that is entitled. And for certain banks, you have ASB loan. So please screenshot this. Yeah, if you are thinking I'm running too fast, please comment. I will slow down. But if not, I will just continue. Okay. For SME, yeah, if today our audience are your 老板们, tauge everyone, SME or micro business, okay, your working capital, hire purchase loan, and business property loan, you are entitled to get it. Your SME overdraft, all right, credit card under the company, yeah, is also entitled. It's the same conversion. If you have any balance there, it will be converted to 36 months, but interest rate, 13% per annum. So this is for SME. So far, so good. If good, give me 555. If you want me to slow down, give me 111. If you think it's okay, just 555. All right. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. But don't worry. At the end of the sharing, we will have a open to the floor Q&A. If you think that I'm going too fast, maybe they will keep this and you will be able to re-watch the whole video. Yeah. Okay. How does it affect on your loan? Okay, all this is a summary from my research. Yeah? So, okay, might be different case with different bank. Okay, first thing, no effect on secrecy. This is all bank is the same. All right, no effect on secrecy. So 6 months deferment, it will not scrap your credit scoring. Okay, it will not show 666 or 000. Second part, all accrued interest profit late charges will not be compounded during the deferment period. This is the keyword. During the 6 months, won't compound. On the 7 month onwards, if you don't settle the interest, it will be charged as a normal interest. So from 7 months onwards, it will be added in for compound calculation. So must take note. The third one, okay, extend tenor, okay, or increase installment to maintain the tenor. Different bank will have a different practice. This is the part. As I mentioned, okay, I've done some research. Maybank, they are more preferred to, they will extend your tenor, maintain your installment. Like CIMB, they will maintain your tenor. They will ask you to increase your payment amount, yeah, on the 7 month onwards. So for different other banks, I think this part you will still need to check with your banker. But at the end, I will share one strategy, regardless which bank practice what practice. Use the same strategy to save you money and to get you through this 6 months time. Okay, I'll share on later on. All right. And another part, if you have hire purchase, yeah, which is a car loan, or any Islamic financing facilities, yeah, the bank might need you to sign a new documents or agreement at the end of the deferment. Yeah, on the 7 months, will need to be signed because in accordance with the legal and Sharia requirement. When they increase the amount already, they don't call it interest, it's a financing amount. You need to re-sign new legal documents. Okay, I think all of you that take Islamic facilities, you will know, all right? For those that didn't take Islamic facilities, just it's a good time to understand with your bankers, all right? Okay, and don't worry, all of this actually we are giving away. Yeah, 懒人包, we call it the lazy people pack. You just comment hashtag PDF, yeah? No matter you are our so-called agent from other agency, or you are actually a customer, or you're just wanted to learn, right? Just hashtag, comment, hashtag PDF, okay? Comment there. Our team will take note. We will send this, all the summary to you later on. Yeah? Now, move to the second one. Yeah? The safest and fastest ways to apply. Okay, now you have understand about moratorium. The take action part, yeah, this one you need to take note. How to apply? Okay, number one, all banks have already set up a website portal. Okay, so bank website portal. Secondly, some of the bank, yeah, not all, some of the bank has actually given the option, they will do a two-way SMS. Like last moratorium, I have received from one of the bank, they asked me, okay, dear Mr. For your loan account, kindly reply 1 if you want to opt in. Can you reply 2 to opt out? Okay, that's all. Okay, it's not scamish SMS. It's mostly the numbers from like your OTP numbers. So that will be the SMS. They will not ask for any other info. Yeah, beware of scammers. There's a lot of that lately. Okay, the third option, call into the customer care service. Okay, some they can apply directly when you call. Some they will give you instructions step by step how to go to their bank website, how to wait for the SMS, etc., etc. Or if there's a branch nearby you after the MCO, you can visit a branch to apply. Okay. For micro enterprise and SME, okay, slightly different. They will actually email. They actually will email or SMS to you, yeah, for a link for you to go in, and there's an e-form attached. Okay. Now this part very important. Any supporting documents or proof needed? Yeah, none. No need. So if they're asking you, can you send me your IC? Can you send me your bank statement? Can you send me your whatever documents? Do not send. Yeah? That is not required. Okay, unless you know the banker, or I mean, it's just not required lah. Okay, just submit request via the above channel. If there's somebody called you from certain bank ABC asking you to give all these documents, do not need, yeah, because the official guideline is there's no documents or proof needed. Yeah? So scam alert, my take, yeah, my preferred way, safest and fastest way is actually to go to the bank website. Okay, most of the banks, I think all of the banks has already displayed a unique link in their normal bank. Let's say like Maybank to you, CIMB clicks. There's one section already. Apply moratorium. You just click from there and then just done everything. And always remember, yeah, this is just a social reminder. Do not click links from SMS. Do not click links from email that looks like from the bank. Yeah, a lot of magic they can do that make it look exactly the same, but it's not from the bank. So I will advise you, if you have already saved your favorite bank login online banking, use that because it's safe by you. Okay, can be trusted. Or you can go to search engine, yeah, browsers or Google search. That's what I will use. If I'm going to Maybank to you, I don't remember the website, so I just go Google Maybank to you. The link that came up is actually, I believe Google has already filtered and vetted, yeah, is genuine Maybank to you website. If it's not genuine, they will remove it. Yep, they won't show it to me. Okay, or OCBC or CIMB or RHB or MBSP. So normally I will go via Google search, click on that link, then I will go in. The safest. I never click any website link from any emails. Yeah, even though they say they are sending from the bank. Okay? Because during this time, moratorium, everybody is hoo-ha, then busybody go want to apply. Yeah, it creates a big opportunity or a big risk for scammers. So please take note. Apply only through official portals. All right. Now, approving time. Once you have applied, how soon you can know? That's why I say via the bank system, the bank website. Immediately you will know the approval. Okay, because when you key in, all the terms and conditions is already there. If it's entitled, immediately they will tell you it's approved. Okay. If you have a different case, special cases, we'll need to call to the bank for special assessments, but also it will be within 48 hours in general. Yeah? Okay. And once they approve in the system, they will also notify you via other channels within 5 days, maybe by email or maybe by SMS. All right. Or sometimes 15 days via SMS. But this is to notify you it's approved again. But you will know already when you click, submit. Within minutes, you will know already. Okay. All banks is the same, yeah, for this one. Okay. Now, the most interesting part, FAQ, I mean on this particular one, on the submission. Now it's July, correct? So if you already paid your July installment and then only you apply, so do I get back my July money? No. It will start effective next month, August, yeah? August, then it will defer. So in this case, if I apply in September, do I get until end of December? Or start from December? Okay, start from December, add 6 months, become February 2022, right? September, October, November, December, January, February, 6 months, right? 6 months. It's actually from the date of approval. So far for this one, I have confirmed with 3 banks, okay? 3 banks are according to the same. So if you apply now, 6 months start from August. If you apply as this example, September, 6 months start from September, okay? But one thing, do not drag it. Do not say, wow, if like that, I drag until November, December, then only I apply so that I can get from 6 months for the next year. Because now I'm still okay, but I don't know in the future I'm okay or not. If you have that mindset, I would suggest you to don't do that because the banks have one direction. Only can apply during MCO, Fasa 1. So if minister suddenly say, okay, congrats, we have reduced our cases, so now it's Fasa 2. And then this moratorium, it will change. So which means in the near future, hopefully very near future, Fasa 2 coming. Yeah. Today cases is 9,000. Oh my God. So everybody stay safe, stay well. So my suggestion is please apply whenever you can. Yeah, you don't need to visit the bank. Just go to their bank portal website. You can apply now already. Okay, for certain banks, previously they have already rolled out certain payment assistance program. Like in this case, is Public Bank. Okay, they have rolled out like 3 months, 70% of the payment. So if you already gotten that, or from any other banks existing assistance programs, you can still apply. It will just take effect upon expiry of the existing program. So example, Maybank give you 3 months. So 3 months plus 6. Okay. However, the first 3 months is different because I think they still charge interest and it's still compound, but it's only 70% reduction. Sorry, it was only 70%. But for the new 6 months, if you go for option 1, that 6 months will be totally don't need to pay. All right, follow the normal moratorium. This is in the case of Public Bank, different bank, different case. So again, if you have just came in and you think that I'm going too fast, or this is very, very damn good info you want to share to your friends, 要跟你的朋友分享, comment #PDF, okay, comment PDF. Our system will capture and we will send to you later on. And for those that want the PTPTN one, earlier on I've shared about PTPTN, it's a separate file, not together. So you have to #PTPTN, okay, for the PTPTN info, and #PDF for whatever you've seen so far until now. Okay, I'm down to my third one. I think, let me check my time. Oh, okay, 20 minutes. Okay, as I promised, it will be a very short live. Okay, so number 3, who is eligible? The terms, first, it must be Malaysian. And you, micro businesses or SME businesses, you are not under the status of bankruptcy, and no AKPK. AKPK not entitled. So if you have any AKPK loans, that one cannot moratorium. You still have to pay. Okay. Now, research summary. Shall I take or not? Okay, my advice is my personal advice. I will be doing this definitely. I will suggest it to you, but it's up to you to make a decision. So do your own due diligence, please. All right. For cash flow planning, definitely yes, because now you might be still okay, but you might not know what other things will come in the near future, like maybe 3 months, 6 months, or down the road, right? Secondly, if you have saved this in the coming, you might bump into investment opportunities. Can be properties, can be share, can be maybe like crypto or whatever. Okay, this is not an investment call, but this is what I will do. Okay, better to get standby, right? Third, emergency fund. Similar like the above, we never know what will happen soon. Maybe not to us, or maybe not to our family, but it can be an emergency fund that you can help people. Okay, I think during these times, Polygon properties in a company level or in an individual level, we might not post anything, but personally, we have done quite a lot that I know of. So it can be one of the charity fund, right? If you save it, spend on other places that can help more people. Yeah? Kita jaga kita, we must support each other, right? But of course, buy foods lah, not lend money. Yeah? Okay, and the most important strategy that I have promised you. Okay, my plan is like this: to repay the deferred interest within 6 months of recovery. Okay, what do I mean by this? Let's say now I take it until December, right? On January onwards, I will need to start paying my full installment. And I will depend on my situation. If on January, everything is well, okay, cases are down, business are moving, I'm having confidence, the 6-month interest, I will split into 6-month installment. I will personally split it. No need to call to the bank. Because the bank just say, yo, you got pay money, okay? I will reduce the outstanding, right? So the 6 months, let's say, accrued total, how much was shared just now? About 8,000, right? So the 8,000, I will split into 6 months installment. So every month, I will just pay slightly extra lah. Yeah, extra by 7,800. So whatever is incurred, I will settle it within 6 months so that it doesn't snowball into a 30 years compound interest. Yeah, don't look small in these 6 months. Yeah. These 6 months, 8,000 might end up become 20,000 in 30 years time. Yeah, that is property loan. In car loan, 7 years doesn't much effect, but in property loan, 30 years, right? So set up a plan, 6 months or 12 months, up to you. This is a personal strategy. Yeah. Take the moratorium, my advice. Yeah, take it, no matter you need it or not. Since it's given, just take it because it's not money given to you. It's money less collected from you. Interest, bank still earn. Okay, interest, the bank still earns. But you will be able to set aside a fund for cash flow planning, for investment opportunities, emergency fund, or maybe charity funds, all right? But of course, repay it back by 6 months or 12-month installment. So on top of your normal installment, after everything is done, after everything is recovered, that will be my personal strategy. Hopefully, you can use it as a reference. Number 4, well, open floor Q&A. Yeah, the more you ask, the more value. Because your question might spark some other people that, oh yeah, I never thought of that, right? So that is the end of my slide. Okay, now do allow me to do some advertisements. Smack that like button. Yeah, go to Facebook, find my personal public figure page. My caption is full already, actually, personal page. So go to my public figure. Yeah, at Ching Caleb. Yeah, okay, my public figure for more wealth. Yeah, not just about property, but wealth, businesses, investment mindset, and all. Yeah. Hopefully, at the end of this sharing, I have become your new friend. Okay, just follow me. And that's done. So hold on, let me come back to the screen and stop sharing. Okay, so now let me look at everything. Polygon, take or Derek, so take or don't take better. I think I have covered that question already. Okay, now let me scroll up to the previous questions. Need to apply will be rejected by bank. Okay, Regan. Yes, need to apply, which means you need to take action to opt in. Go to the bank website or you can call in to apply. Will it be rejected by the bank? Yes, it's up to the bank sole discretion. But however, clear guidelines has been given by Bank Negara. So that guideline will be in the system. When you apply, you need to answer all the questions. So if you answer correctly, I would say automatically you will get approval. If it's rejected, it might be your case is a different special case, something that is not within the guideline. Call the bank immediately. Okay, they have set up a hotline for that one. Within 48 hours, they will assess your case. They will advise you whether they can do it or not. Yeah. Now the next question. Oh, I saw a lot of people commented #PDF. All right, we'll be sending you the PDF very soon, right? Aaron Kwa, another question. If I take moratorium, will it affect my future bank loan? No, it will not. Yeah, it will not affect in terms of secret record. For your new loan, in general, banks now has closed their pipe, 山水好. Okay, so if the loan is rejected, definitely not because of moratorium. It's because of they have tightened their DSR approval and credit scoring. So Aaron, you can take normally. Jaslyn, wow, I think this is an ex-banker. Well, very sharp question. Islamic loan can get? Yes, Islamic loan can get. Okay, as I in the PDF, if you miss it, yeah, if you're able to screenshot, good. If not, just hashtag PDF, comment there. Okay, Islamic loan apply, you can get housing loan. Is there a car loan, Islamic loan? I have never applied before, I'm not sure, but if there is, then yes. Under car loan, you have. Personal loan, yes. Any other questions? Let me scroll up. Okay, hope my sharing has created a lot of value to you, yeah? 38 minutes down. If you have seen a lot of value, please share to your friends. If you're able to save this, then they can watch the replay. If they didn't watch, then next round. Next round. Okay, any other questions from our backend system? Okay, if there's no further question, I think this is all from me tonight. Hope you benefit a lot from our Polygon consumer talk. Oh, there's a new question. Chai Ye Li. If I take moratorium now, the interest is counting. Okay. Let's say my house loan is 1,000. Can I reduce the loan interest during deferment period by paying 1,000 plus in the future? I think you're referring during the deferment period, is it? Within the 6 months. If that is, 1,000 plus by the next 2 years. Yes. I think what you're referring to is exactly the same as what my strategy is. But my plan is within 6 months. 2 years also can. Yes, you can. Because the 6-month interest, how they charge, how they calculate, it'll be act as part of the total loan amount already. So if your loan, let's say your installment is 1,000, then I would say loan amount about 200,000. Okay. So 1,000 every month, that is the interest only. So for 6 months, you have 6,000 already. So on the 7th month, your loan amount will change from 200,000 into 206,000. So your intention, pay 1,000 plus to reduce the amount. It works. It works. I scared after 6 months my financial still weak. Yes, you can. But after 6 months, the normal loan will kick in already. So within these 6 months, moratorium. Okay, what all you all should do? Okay, within these 6 months, moratorium is to let you have a breather, let you have a peace of mind. So when you have a peace of mind, fully focus on finding solution to increase your income, to build that pipeline of income that you need, or get a side hustle, right? We are from Polygon Properties. We are selling properties. If you're interested, just contact us, right? Yeah, we can assist you if that is one of the options. Yeah, don't just take the moratorium and then watch Netflix for 6 months or watch TV.